Easily. Things like that. No problem.
Ate Nicole! Oh, past 2 minutes. Good luck, players.
Thank you so much.
Ayan na ang mahiwagang salamin! Yay!
Thank you so much. Love you, Mama.
Wow! Okay, good luck po. OMG! Insan, thank you! 5, 3, 2, 1, time's up! Okay, Spartan, Allison, and Miss Jenny. Okay, automatic eliminated. But if you want to come up again, you need to request lang po ulit. Okay? Okay, tap-tap muna tayo dyan sa baba while waiting po. Okay, I need 3 players. Guys, pakipollow po si Bichinito po. My cousin. My cousin ba? Okay, i-follow po natin yan. Okay, let's go guys. Ate Jackie. Okay, akyat po Ate Jackie. Okay, Cure. Asan ka na, Cure? For the second time. And Ate Jelay po. Jelay. Ayan guys ha. Okay, request lang po ng request guys para makaakyat po kayo ha. Second time na. Sige, sige. Sige, host. Host. Eh, kasi ayaw kong basahin yung pangalan mo. I don't want to read your ano. Okay. Okay. Next ka na dito, si host. Okay? Okay, 5 minutes guys for Cure, Jackie, and Jella. You need to beat 353 points. Good luck. Okay, let's go.
Taray, ako na yung 10% ko eh. Babagsak na naman ako dito eh.
Guys, tap muna tayo guys ng...
Cure,
Ano po?
nasa 80 na lang talaga yung kulang para mag-ano na yung level ko.
Ayan. Okay, 4 minutes. Magle-level
Thank
up
you,
na yan si
Bichinito.
Chua.
Thank you. Thank you, Ate Heart. Thank you, Chuan.
Okay, Jelay and Jackie, good luck. Guys, A1 number 51 po tayo ngayon. Okay, and then popular po, number 17. Oh, popular number 16 na pala. So, popular number 16, guys. Okay, 4 minutes, good luck. Bichinito, guys, paki-follow po. Bichinito. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Ate Shen, shout out! Okay, 4 minutes. Guys, request na po mga players natin. Si host, ayan, mamaya akat ka po ha. Thank you Ate Shen, thank you for the heart me, thank you po. Ayan, pag nagle-level up ang heart me, level up nyo na rin